So, hello guys, today in this video we will learn about two more operators that sometime we will use. One is this, which we called as nullish coalescing operator, nullish coalescing operator, or operator, and the second one is double bang operator, double bang operator. So, what this is used for? So suppose what I want is let's take some example. Okay. So I created a data variable, and what it will store? It will store the data of the users. Okay. The data of the users. So what I will do, I will call function give data of user. There is a function called give data of user, and this performs some functionality, right? And there is some other box or on the server which will implement this feature. Okay, so app dot get and something called like this user, and it will perform some functionality, function and whatever. Okay, so what happen is this function will talk to the database. This function will talk to the database. There is some DB, uh, database. So it will talk to database, and then it will receive some data and give it inside this function, and this function will return that data, and we will store it inside this variable. Now what happen is when I implement this, when the code will reach up to this line, now somehow the server will be crashed. Now what I want is, if server is crashed, I want some message. I want to show some message to the user that that data has not been retrieved or something. So what I want is, I only tell that I can implement this data on the UI, and I will show whatever the value comes inside that data variable. So if there is something called null or undefined comes from backend, okay, then rather than showing this, I want to show something else, that data has been retrieved. So for that, we are using nullish coalescing operator, and we can write something data not retrieved, right? So what happen is, if there is something which don't carry any value, or either it will contain null or undefined, and rather than showing that undefined or null, we have to showing something else. For that, we are using that nullish coalescence operator. Now let's perform it. So suppose there is something called undefined. And now what is this? I want to show data not retrieved. So rather than writing undefined, we will call the user function. Okay, and we create a user function user, and it will return undefined. And I will sorry, log the data. You will see that I got data not retrieved. Okay, if I write null here, you will get data not retrieved. So what happen is, if I write undefined here and null here, what we will get? I think so we get null. Because null is an intentional value and this is unintentional value. So intentional value will be more preferable. So this is nullish coalescence operator. Now let's talk about double bang operator. So basically double bang operator is used to convert anything into boolean. Okay. So if I write something like suppose log, okay. So I create a function. Okay, function main, and this will return double bang and then something. So and now let's print whatever we get main and we call this. You will see I got true value. So double bang operator is used to convert anything into a boolean value. So if this is an empty string, I got false. Oh, sorry. I got true here because no, I got false because empty string is a falsy value. I think so 0, then also I got false. And if I write something else, suppose true, I got true. So this is all about these two basic operators, which is nullish coalescence and then double bang operator.